Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a time when you received money as a gift. You should say, when it happened. Who gave you the money? Why she gave you the money. And explain how he used the money. My birthday last year was one special occasion when I was given money as a gift. I was partying with my family and close friends on this momentous occasion. My grandfather gave me an envelope containing some cash, which was the most memorable gift I ever received. He grinned and said he wanted me to decide what I really needed rather than purchasing me stuff. The money was a love and encouragement present from my granddad. He has always felt that meaningful gifts should be given, and he believed that money would give me the ability to purchase something practical. He said that he wanted me to make sensible spending decisions, thus this was his method of teaching me financial responsibility. Because he trusted me to utilize the money wisely, his considerate gesture made me feel appreciated and respected. I gave it a lot of thought before deciding to utilize the funds to sign up for an online course in which I had long been interested. I knew that doing the digital marketing course would improve my abilities and open up new professional options. I believed that investing in education would yield more long-term benefits than using the funds for transient pleasures like entertainment or shopping. Getting this money was about more than simply the sum, it was also about the love, trust, and life lesson it brought. It helped me understand how important it is to manage finances sensibly and to value the work of those who give them to you. My grandfather's considerate gift was greatly appreciated, and I was pleased that I had put the money to good use. I learned from this experience that a thoughtful present may make a big difference in someone's life. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.